Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on PC. First, confirm your computer meets the basic system requirements to ensure a smooth experience. You will need a modern operating system, like Windows 10 or 11, and a processor made in the last 10 years. A good starting point is ensuring you have at least 4 GB of random access memory, or RAM, and 10 GB of available storage space for optimal performance. Next, you will need to download and install the Roblox Player application. Navigate to the official Roblox website in your web browser, choose any game you want to play, and click the green Play button. This action will prompt you to download the Roblox Player setup file. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the fast installation process. With the Roblox Player installed, the next step is to create an account or login. If you are a new user, select the Sign Up option and enter your birthday, a unique username, and a strong password. For existing players, choose Log In and provide your username and password. This step connects you to your personal profile, allowing you to access your friends, game progress, and virtual items easily. Now that you are logged in, it is time to explore the vast world of Roblox games. The home screen showcases many popular and recommended experiences. You can use the search bar to find specific games by name or browse categories like adventure, simulator, or role-playing. When you find a game you like, simply click on its thumbnail and then the green Play button, which will launch the game through the Roblox Player.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.